Over the past thousands of years, infectious diseases have taken away hundreds of millions of lives. But no matter how fast vaccines are updated and how the prevention technologies advance, when a large-scale infectious disease breaks out, quickly blocking pathogens and preventing secondary infection are still the primary action to be taken to deal with infectious diseases. However, there is a big challenge in the world on issues concerning the lives of hundreds of millions of people. Excessive running of medical resources and shortage of isolation rooms risk thousands of people's lives.
Portable negative pressure biocontainment room. It integrates creative manufacturing capacity and innovation technology. After 3 steps: push, press and fix. An isolation room of more than 6 square meters can be fast built in 10 minutes that quickly responds to deployment needs of epidemics during the epidemic and peacetime, and facilitates the storage and transport, and alleviates the shortage of isolation rooms. Intelligent interactive system of IoT technology applied makes it convenient for medical staff. Auto-open door reduces contact and infection risk. Hospital beds, ventilators, toilets, and other facilities can be put inside to meet diverse medical requirement. Supercomputing simulates airflow organization, accurately controls flow direction, which keeps staff in a favorable wind direction while dilutes the concentration of pathogens inside room. HEPA filter and double sterilization system provide a verified sterilization rate of over 99.99%. Dual channel airflow control system double ensures the internal dynamic negative pressure. Dynamic compensation of internal pressure difference avoids the leakage of polluted air. Touchscreen intuitively displays differential pressure, temperature, and humidity of the room. Emergency backup power supply helps maintain perfect operation in the event of power failure. As a new sharp infection control weapon.